Look at this beautiful cactus here. Oh, in one pot. Another one. Oh, yan, may mga pieces silang nilagay. Mga bato na maliliit. Kaya nyo yan, guys. Oh, look at that. Ganda, diba?